marble falls in a neighborhood. There's a shop that smells like sandalwood. She had a floor rug rolled in her arms and a look burned by the sun. Her auburn hair tied up in braids, eyes like fire you can't explain. She smiled like she knew my name and everything I'd done. She poured me rye in a copper cup, said most folks can't see clear enough. She ran her fingers down the weave, said this one's pretty rough. I asked her why she up and ran from all the gold and the promised land. She said, honey, I sell more than rugs, I deal in contraband. She's got a past dyed deep in red, hand knotted in every thread. She's not lost, she's just unseen, like a distant memory. Like many men who've come before, stumbled through that same old door, wondering where they were before they met their Persian queen. She's a hill country rug dealer with a past no man can heal. Wears her beauty like a scar, cuts a better deal. In every thread a story hides, Lord knows she's seen both sides. If you ask her why she stayed last night, she'll just smile and walk away. She's a hill country rug dealer, selling stories wrapped in wool. No one knows what really lies behind her eyes so bright and full. They say she once had a lover die, the truth gets tangled in every lie. So if you see her on the road tonight, just let her pass you by. She's a hill country rug dealer with a past no man can heal. Wears her beauty like a scar and cuts a better deal. In every thread a story hides, Lord knows she's seen both sides. If you ask her why she stayed last night, she'll just smile and walk away. She's a hill country rug dealer, selling stories wrapped in wool. No one knows what really lies behind her eyes so bright and full. They say she once had a lover die, the truth gets tangled in every lie. So if you see her on the road tonight, just let her pass you by. Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker, and you know I'm here to stay.
Welcome back, man. It's been a whirlwind few weeks for me, but I just recently got back from my trip out east. Had a great time. Glad y'all got to meet Don and listen to him a little bit. He's a special friend to me and my family, and it was great to see him and his beautiful wife, Lisa, son, Casey. So we had a great time. But man, I'm pretty exhausted. 2,600 miles or so. Yeah, this is like the third time in the last couple of weeks that somebody, a subscriber, has been coming through Texas and wanted to meet up with me and either my brother or Rusty Bolts or whatever. And it's hard to get everybody together. But the other two, I just didn't film. You know, I don't film everything I do, and these other two were not YouTubers, and you know, sometimes you just don't want to be sticking cameras in people's faces. But Kevin and Vonette from the Tampa area were in town a couple of weeks ago, and got to meet them, and we went by the fire station to see Jay, then I took them to lunch. And they've been long-time supporters of the channel. It was great to meet them in person. And then Wade and Justin and their family, they came from South Carolina. And I've made Instagram and Facebook posts about these. But they rode like 1,100 miles the first day from South Carolina to get here. And then I met them the next day as they were on their way down to Lukenbach, and actually that's where Kevin and his wife were going also. And today I got another guy coming in town, and he's actually a fellow YouTuber. J Street Moto, I believe is the name of his channel. I wasn't aware of him. He sent me some stickers, and then I've since subscribed and watched some of his videos, but apparently he's taking a sabbatical from work, and he's taking a cross-country trip, and according to him, we'll ask him about it, but that he asked his subscribers what other YouTubers that they'd like him to meet along the way, and I was one of them, so that's I'm honored by that. I look forward to meeting him. So we're meeting here at George's, probably the most famous restaurant bar in Waco, Texas. I mean, George has been here. My dad used to go to George's when he was in college and stuff, and I've drank many a Big O's at George's. At George's, they call the big schooners. Some of you might call them, I don't know. We call them Big O's, and George's is famous for the Big O, which I will not be drinking today. I'm trying to do right on the dieting. You just start gaining weight, and it's just, hey, so no beer for me. But we're gonna have a nice lunch as he continues his way. I'm not sure which direction he's going from here, but we will find out and ask him about that. But who knew the Insta360, or the 360 camera in general, would be so controversial? I got comments from everything, but I hate it, I love it, whatever you want to do is fine, but which is obviously what I'm gonna do. Look, if I didn't try new stuff, I wouldn't have a YouTube channel. So I love the idea of the 360 camera, and the only way I'm going to get better is to just try to figure it out and learn from others. Brent from Mild Hogs did a fantastic tutorial on editing 360 footage. So if you have one, and don't ask me, but he's been using it for a while. So go check out Brent's tutorial on the 360, editing the 360 footage. It's really good, really informative. I learned a lot. We'll find out, you know, how much here as you're watching this. Again, trying to just figure out, you know, like what I don't know is like where to put the stick. You know, how high to put it up. I've got to reach it to turn it on and off. Although I think you can get the wireless mic and do voice commands. Well, but maybe I'll try that. Their wireless mic is actually not all that expensive, I believe. So yeah, we've got a beautiful day. Beautiful spring day. It's just early April. So it's nice to be out on the bike, and we've actually got an interesting trip coming up that may or may not be the next video you see, but within the next couple of videos, it's something a little different that some of you may love and some of you may hate. But always interesting to see how that stuff goes. 99.9% of my comments are positive, and some of them I'm just shocked when I see them. But anyway, Roja's looking good. I'm hungry. We'll wait for him and see what he's up to. All right, I mentioned I had another visitor. This is Jim from J Street Moto, correct?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
We just had a very nice lunch. I fed him a diet chicken fried steak at George's, the most famous restaurant here in beautiful Waco, Texas. But Jim is on a 5-week sabbatical from work, and he's just riding across country, right? How far are you going?
Well, so this, I broke it into 3 trips.
Yeah.
So this trip, I'm doing 4,000 miles in 10 days. So I'm going
Solo.
I'll continue going from here solo out to Monument Valley and Four Corners in Arizona, and then I'll start making my way back through like Durango, Dodge City. I'm going to cross Wolf Creek Pass at some point. And,
in April?
In April. And then get home. And I'm home for about a week, and then I'm going and doing the Tail of the Dragon, Cherahalla Skyway, all those, which are in my backyard, and I've just never ridden them.
Yeah.
And then I'm home for about a week, and then I'm coming back to Texas, but I'm not coming on the bike. David and I are coming here to hunt. We're hunting hog down at Cedar Cove.
South Texas?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we're going down there. We're hunting hog. David's hunting a ram, too.
Archery or rifle?
Rifle.
Okay. We used to do archery pig hunting. You want to get your juices flowing. You have these big old
I can imagine
boars come out with it. We know all you got's a bow, but that'll be fun. Yeah.
And then
we
when
got plenty of pigs around here.
Get back from that, hopefully with a couple coolers full of meat, and then I'll go back to work. And, you know, that's it.
Hey, like you said, time to start living, and he's doing it. So y'all go check out J Street Moto on YouTube. Are you on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all that?
I'm active on Instagram too. YouTube's the primary. You know, I put some stuff on Instagram. I have a Facebook page with like 2 followers. I don't do anything on Facebook. I really do anything there.
Everything I do.
And I don't do a whole lot on TikTok. I use Instagram. I use YouTube. Primarily it's YouTube, and I might clip some stuff. Usually Instagram's pictures of the bike.
Gotcha.
Little hints and stuff.
All right. Well,
but a couple people got you right. They knew. A couple people were like, "Oh, you're gonna see Bogey," and I'm like, "Okay."
Yeah, he had a poll on his channel. He was coming through Texas and staying in Waco. Who do they think that he was going to see? I guess we have some subscribers in common, so put down in the comments below if you're subscribed to both channels. But I was the guest on some of the lists, so that's again flattering. It's always great to meet new people, and it's a genuine guy. So go check out his channel, and if you do subscribe, let him know that the Bogey Biker sent you.
Yeah, appreciate that.
Safe travels.
You too.
Yeah.
You too.
All right, brother. All right, man. Ride safe.
Take care.
Thanks
you too,
again.
man. Ride safe.
Yeah.
It was good meeting you.
Yeah. Safe travels, and we'll stay in touch.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
You need to get out to North Carolina.
Yeah. Well, I was just there last week, but check out that video tonight. You can watch it. We went to.
Oh yeah, you were Maggie Valley.
Yeah. Well, I went to East Tennessee, then Atlanta, then we went to Maggie Valley one day.
All right.
All right, man.
I'll see you.
See you.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that is borrow today. Well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day today, and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today. It's a good day today. It's a good day to live.
Well, it's always great meeting new folks. So y'all go check out J Street Moto on YouTube. He's doing a great job. And if you do, leave him a comment. Tell him I sent you. I would appreciate that. I sure hope it's as beautiful of a day where you are as it is here. I sure appreciate y'all watching. As always, don't let the hard days win, and we will see you next time.
Yeah,